I ain't gotta say nothing, man. Y'all see what time it is, man. We here. We have arrived.
My back is against the wall. More just who to call on when I need me. If I break to help me fight.
She ain't the cake. What it is. Mook in the V, back with another video. And man, we out here ATL living, man. ATL lifestyle, man. I gotta go to the store, grab a little shirt real quick, man. Last night was slight decent, you know what I'm saying? The DJ wasn't really busting like that, but you know, no disrespect to nobody. I had a good time. The Raw show just started, man. I'm late like always. I'm about to go over there and find me a little shirt or something, man. Shoot back, get dressed, and then you already know, man. We at the promised land. So let me run in here real quick, gang. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Since I done put the stripe and the wheels on, cars just pull up right next to you like that. The tinted windows, you don't know what they doing in there. I know they just looking at the Jeep though, man. But yeah, I'm at the mall, man. We finna go in here. We finna see what the mall talking about. I need to hurry up, man, because I'm late as is. Late as is, y'all. I just need I don't know, man. I need some shoes and a shirt, really. We finna see, though. I'm gonna cut the camera on once I get inside, too, gang. What's still on? Alright, gang, I'm on foot, man. I had to pull off here, and y'all gonna see in a while why. I had to pull off to the side and just park over here in these people's grass. It's a little crazy over here, so like I said, y'all gonna see what's going on in a minute, man. I'm almost back up to the street. It's a nice little walk, though. It's hot out here, too. But we're gonna see, man. Look like it's moving a little bit. Look like the line moving a little bit now. Huh? I said, look like the line was moving a little bit for a second.
You gonna get tight?
Yeah, yeah. Appreciate you for letting me pull up there, man.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hey, it's like I said, you get on that side, it's shady over there going up.
On the left side, right?
Yep.
All right, appreciate you.
You be up there for a minute.
Grass with it, gang. Yes, sir. We in the grass with it, gang.
You got anything, bro? Yeah, everything. Everything's secure. That boy Mook in the V, man. We got Mook in the V pouring out.
Yes, sir. You already know what time it is, man.
At grandma's house, man.
I see that thing right there, man. They out here getting motherfuckers 40 and 40 for the park. 40. Let me put my shoes. Good. We got people walking back talking about man, they done closed it down. I say, alright, I can't go for none of that. We getting up in here, man. I done had to walk, park, jump back in the car, ride up in the grass, park again, jump in the car. People I don't know, man. We getting in this joint straight up. We out here, man. Let y'all see what's going on. Let y'all see what the fuck going on in there, big boy. We pussy ass fuck nigga talking about. I'm just talking. I'm just talking. Yes, sir. It's finna be good copyright going on in here, man. So, I don't know how we gonna B-roll this. I don't know how I'm gonna release this. It might just be a visual and then drop the other video on Instagram or something where I can play the music at, but it's crazy. Hey, that paint, is that paint or is that a wrap?
That's fucking one-day-old paint, man.
That shit is, hey, that look good, man. What's your Instagram, man?
What up?
What's your Instagram?
Last resort, Lucky 13 Hot Rods. Man, I'm about to give you a business.
Okay. I'm Mook in the V too, man. Y'all got Instagram or something, YouTube, I do all that shit. I ain't got my card on me, man. I just gave the last one away, man.
Hey, bro.
Y'all remember Mook in the V though, man. It's easy. Mook in the V, it's easy. As soon as you get to the end, I'm gonna pop up. It's easy.
I got you.
Easy.
That QR code on the back, man.
Yes, sir.
I got some bangers on it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My last car bringing in the show. All right, well, we got it back. Okay, baby. Appreciate you, man.
Please, everybody stay right there. I got a car coming through. Stay right there, please. Yo, class.
Y'all already know what time it is, man. Y'all know what this is. I got a large. Time to cash shit right here, big nigga. Stunt, what's going on with you, bro? How you feeling?
Man?
All right, yes, sir.
For that motherfucker.
How long you been up here for, man? You probably been here early. I just got in here, man. They got motherfuckers out there waiting. What up with you, bro? How you feeling?
You good?
Yes, sir. Make these rounds.
Everybody know who car this is?
Nope. That joint crazy, ain't it? That lip is nuts. That's a good.
The man ain't even got a frame on it.
That's a good, man, 12 inches right there. That's nuts. Yeah, that's nuts.
That's crazy.
Dumb lip. Color flip on that thing. Got the chrome Maserati over there.
They wouldn't even let me back on the street.
Yeah. Now I had, I'm in the all-wheel drive Jeep. I was on the grass on their ass.
I was finna hit the grass. I'm on the slingshot.
Oh yeah, that motherfucker might get stuck on the terrain. Yeah. I paid for the parking. Y'all know what time it is, man. Shot-town finest, man. Hardest working man out here, man. Let's get it. We out here working.
And out here moving around.
Man, got to, man. I know gang out here, so I had to come pull up. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try to make Arkansas, man. My son graduate next week. Yeah, I already know how y'all coming. I already know it, man.
You down there for that day, that one was rain.
Yeah.
That one was rain.
My son be wanting to dip with me after he graduate. We might just jump on the road. That's like 8.5 hours for us.
Yeah.
It ain't too much.
It ain't real bad.
Knock it out.
Yeah, man. Y'all have to subscribe to my boy channel, man. Make sure y'all do, man.
Yes, sir.
Hit that post notification bell, all that, because the subscribe don't count without that.
Man, for real.
That's it.
Y'all see, man, it's a lituation out here, man. It's just getting started, though, man. It's still early in the day, man. We finna have some fun. I ain't gotta say nothing, man. Y'all see what time it is, man. We here. We have arrived.
I just killed the parking lot. Blueprint, no rocks. Boy, props at the mansion, at the spot. I just killed the parking lot. I just killed the parking lot. Half a million in my parking spot.
Ain't no why out here.
Hey, we'll try to picture for a picture.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Ain't no retaliation on the slide. Never stack me a 10. I come from much
Go your channel out one time, man.
What's going on, gang? This your boy S.N. We up here at the Rick Ross joint.
Yes, sir.
With your boy Mook in the V, man. Hey, I ain't got no cars on me. Hold on, wait a minute. I might have lied. I do. Make sure y'all get in tune, man. Y'all
And
see
that barcode. Hold
It's
on.
gonna lead you right to everything you need.
Let me get it clear.
Man.
Leave it right there. Put it back up there. Let me get it clear. There you go. There you go.
Tune in, gang.
Yes, sir. It's one of them.
Oh, he been right here. Hey.
Feel good under this motherfucker over here. That Bel Air. Jeez. Magnets. There's some thick ones out here. Ooh. That's too much bike for me. I ain't gonna even hold them. I'll crash this motherfucker. Yeah, this motherfucker. Man. Alright, y'all, we done just walked up on the Nipsey tribute. Guess this might have been one of Nipsey's cars, maybe his first car or something. Not sure. They definitely got a little tribute over here for him. It's kind of dope, you know what I mean? One of the kings, one of the gods that we lost. The marathon continues. Damn. Big Vino. Sugar Man got the line up out here. Sugar Man on there.
I'm a dog, so I hit that bitch doggy style. She said, put it in the ass, that little mama wild. Spot on evergreen, I'm a fucking wild child. I lay the mama on the floor like some fucking tile. You bought a top, and another nigga little wild boy, they gon' beat me.
It's cold. Flawless. It's flawless. Paint perfect. And you gotta take this one over that just because it's a drop top.